You will love the features of this 2017 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.